Kia ora, I'm Kowhai Norman Harris. So I'm a Harris from Rāhiri and a Norman from Te Hapua, Ngāti Kurī descendant. I am a Kauri Ora ranger, so I work for Ngāti Kurī with Eric and with the whānau, cousins. We're out in our ngāhere. We're out there, we're amongst the kauri trees, we're amongst te taiao. We're learning, we're always learning, and we're learning how to storytell, like passing down the knowledge, because knowledge is not knowledge unless it is shared. So we're just integrating that with our everyday life because it's changed. I think like what Uncle Tuka had said earlier, it's not they don't want to care or why they should care about what I'm doing. It's more I feel like we should be prompting ourselves so we can take it back, educate them about it. They care, they just don't know. And like Uncle Tuka said, there's been gates. They've had gates up the whole time. They haven't been able to go out into the ngāhere, they haven't been able to learn, there's knowledge there. But to be able to, and they know the names, but they don't know the place. One of the things we wanted to happen was to not integrate it into the college level, not just the primary level, but the kohangas. So to take it back to the kohanga and upwards and into our own whares, to take it home. It's a very privileged position that I'm in, and with every step along the ngāhere, it feels as though mana is restored because it's our tūranga waiwai. My vision for this place, well, my personal pursuit is happiness. So for not just me, but for everybody around me.